Is judicial activism inherently negative? Is judicial activism inherently negative? This question sparks a lot of debate, especially among conservatives who often view it through the lens of limited government principles. Judicial activism is when judges take an active role in shaping laws, sometimes striking down laws or government actions. From a conservative standpoint, this is often seen as judges overstepping their authority. They argue that judges should interpret laws, not create them. One key concept here is judicial review. This is the power of courts to review laws or actions taken by the government. While this power is granted by the Constitution, many conservatives believe it should be used carefully. They advocate for judicial restraint, which means judges should respect the decisions made by elected officials unless those decisions clearly violate the Constitution. When it comes to judicial activism, conservatives often criticize it when judges recognize rights that are not explicitly written in the Constitution. They see this as a way for judges to impose their personal beliefs on the law. This can undermine the democratic process, as it bypasses the legislative branch, which is responsible for making laws. Two notable examples of judicial activism are the cases of Roe v. Wade and Kelo v. City of New London. In Roe v. Wade, the Supreme Court recognized a right to abortion that is not directly stated in the Constitution. Many conservatives view this as an overreach of judicial power. Similarly, in Kelo, the court allowed the government to seize private property for private development, which some argue goes too far in expanding government authority. From the conservative viewpoint, the role of government should be limited. Each branch has specific responsibilities, and when judges make policy decisions, it disrupts this balance. Judicial activism can lead to judges making choices that should be left to elected officials. This is why many conservatives argue that judicial activism is negative. It can result in judges imposing their views rather than interpreting the law as it is written. In summary, while not all instances of judicial activism are viewed negatively, many conservatives see it as a threat to democratic principles and the separation of powers. They argue that it can lead to a situation where judges have too much influence over laws and policies that should be determined by the people through their elected representatives.